seems today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV.
But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely?
Lucky there's a Family Guy. Lucky there's a man who positively can do all the things that make us
laugh and cry.
He's a Family Guy.
Guys, what are you doing watching TV? It's snowing.
Really?
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Isn't it? And you know what's a miracle, kids? Every single snowflake is exactly alike.
I don't think that's right.
No, it's true. Just like fingerprints.
My sled has Dora on it because my parents got it at a yard sale. It's still for boys, though. She's about language acquisition, not gender.
Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, we're drifting. We're turning. We're turning.
Dad, I'm scared.
We're backwards.
Am I the only one who thinks that now we're at an alarming speed?
Peter, are you insane? You could have killed the entire family.
Sorry, Lois. I honestly thought this was going to be fun. Like when I won that sex contest. All right, you guys. I got 8 crates of Epicac from Mort, all on my tab. Now, whoever goes the longest without puking gets the last piece of pie in the fridge.
Yes, your anguish sustains me.
Here we go.